Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where guys the fuses for the smart key control module are located. You may have up to 7 fuses guys, make sure to stay until the end. Some of those are a little bit hidden, so we will explain about each one of them, how to get to them, where they're located in case you need to replace them. So that should work on this generation guys, Kia Optima from year 2010 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan guys on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we took a picture of the fuse box inside so we can show you with a great detail exactly where guys these fuses are located in case you need to replace them, because otherwise it's practically impossible to get such a clear view guys of what is going on and how to actually go ahead and replace those. So the first fuse guys that we're looking at will be known as PDM number 1 guys. This is known as PDM number 1. So if you look at that fuse right here, that 25 amp fuse on top, that's the one that we need, PDM number 1. This is the second row, first fuse on the very top. The next fuse guys that we actually need to find is known as module 5. So module 5 guys, where it is, if you come on the very left side, count 1 2 3 4, fourth row, the very first fuse, it's this fuse right here. That's the one, that 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one responsible for that. Now you have another fuse guys that's known as clock. The clock fuse is a 10 amp fuse, and it's this fuse here, the second row from left to right, second fuse from top to bottom. After that guys, you need to go to PDM number 2. This is third row, and it will be this fuse as well, that 7.5 amp fuse. That's the one responsible for the smart key control module as well. And then guys, the other fuse that you have will be PDM number 3, that 7.5 amp fuse, the very last row, the very bottom fuse that we need to check. And also guys, I forgot to mention, you have one more guys. Right here you have 2 fuses. One is auto fuse, the other one is known as room LP. This fuse right here, it's a 10 amp fuse. That 10 amp fuse, red fuse guys, check this one as well. It's responsible for that one as well. Now what about, you have one more outside guys, and that's where things get interesting. You need to actually go ahead and open the fuse box here, open this one, pull it straight up. On the back side you can see the fuse numbers printed, but what we did, we actually printed it so I can show you a little bit better, because otherwise it's a little bit shiny on the cover. But the fuse that you need to find, it's known as stop LP right here, 15 amp fuse. So where is that stop LP? It's right here guys, it's this fuse. I'm trying to focus, give me a second. This fuse right here. How you guys replace that? Get the fuse puller, grab it, pull it out, and we'll always guys recommend to test the fuses. We have a special video that explains how to test fuses and know if they're good or bad. And also if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. So never assume it's a good fuse, always test them or replace them guys, because that could be the reason for your problem. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.